Good morning, all you YouTubers out there coming from sunny Los Angeles, California. This is a video about my dog Bella and our story about Bella's arthritis. Bella is a rescue dog from TJ, Mexico. She's 13 years old. Bella has some problems. Bella has been limping for the last year and a half. Old age has caught up with her. We have tried all kinds of different supplements, vitamins, remedies, you name it, we have tried it. The vet was unable to help us out. I mean, basically we'd just go to the vet, it's just a lower vet bill. Then we found a product online, and this product is fantastic. This is called DMSO. The bottle cost us on Amazon about $12. And actually I did some homework and research. This has been used ever since the 1800s. I guess it was invented by some German scientist. We use a 50-50 solution with 50% distilled water with 50% of the DMSO. And this seems to work fantastic. We do have a relative that's a professional horse trainer, and actually they use this on their horses. We only use this on a need-to-use basis. We do not use it every daily because we do not want to go ahead and using too much of the DMSO. So whenever her arthritis is acting up or something like this, we go ahead and do this. Other than that, Bella is in great health. She's not taking any kind of supplements except for the ones that we give her that we go ahead and get at Pepco, or any kind of medication from the vet. So I recommend, if your dog is taking any kind of medication from the vet or has some major health problems, make sure that you reach out to your veterinarian to go ahead and get guidance and assistance on this here. I also too purchased an applicator cap on this here. I got this at Home Depot with the brush on it too. So I went ahead and put that on the top of it so that I can do an easy application on this. And this here is actually the second part of this video. Is actually, we bought this here online. This was $35. It's called a Venture Medical Kit. This is their premier kit on this here, and it is actually loaded with every single thing that you would need for your dog. It has a medical booklet in it too on how to apply, how to take care of your dog in case of emergency. It's a very small pamphlet. This is totally loaded with everything that you could possibly think of in case you had emergency. And also too, the seal of the bag is also too waterproof. I can highly recommend this too. It's got a beautiful canvas bag here, and you can also too buy these online. And then also too, one other medication that we do keep in the kit too is Benadryl for the dogs. And one of the things that we do use on Benadryl, because we believe in basically vaccinating our dogs, and sometimes there's a small allergic reaction. Benadryl seems to help this out a lot here. And then also too, last but not least, poor Bella has difficulty climbing up the stairs, which basically is not a big problem, but her house is actually where she lives. She lives in our tree house. So if you've seen any of our other videos, you've seen our tree house. She actually lives up there too. So we're trying to keep her in top-notch, great shape. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Any comments about your journey with DMSO, or also too, if you have the Advantage Dog Series, the Pro Kit, the one that's called the Trail Dog, let me go ahead and know your comments about that too, or if there's any other better remedies or anything else on the market. Goodbye for now. Enjoy the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. And Bella says thank you. Take care.